Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to make paper effect for your photo in Canva. Open Canva and create a new design. Go to elements or upload your favorite photo. Make search for paper frame. Choose like this frame as you want. I will choose this also. Back to elements and look for your photo. For me, I will choose this one. Drag this photo to the first frame, to the second frame again, and one to the page, and make it behind of the frames, and make it fit with the page. Now go to the first frame and make it fit with the page, and this also. Now select this, the second frame, and go to edit, then Newton, select custom, and change the highlights to the white color. And see, now it is good. Copy the style and click on the first frame. Go to the elements and look for paper. Choose graphics. Select any paper that you want. For me, I will choose this and make it behind the first frame. I copy and move it. Duplicate it. Move it again. Duplicate it. Move it to the first frame. Make a rotation and move it behind of the first frame. Now our picture is ready. You can duplicate it. I will make the same effect for another picture. Go to element. I will select this. Now we just to adjust this picture. Choose this first. Done. And this also. Our picture now is ready. Thank you for watching this video and see you in next tutorial.